Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the app and signing in, choose the language, and set a realistic daily goal like 15 minutes. Once done, enable microphone and camera permissions so speaking drills can record and give feedback. Make sure notifications are on to build a habit. You'll also pick a proficiency level. This tailors lesson difficulty. This first step gets the app's engine working for you immediately and prevents stops later when lessons require live practice. You move into the lesson flow. Start vocab, then integrate grammar and listening modules. As you progress, use the spaced repetition review cards to lock words into long-term memory. Adjust review frequency if you find cards too easy or hard. Once you finish initial units, activate conversation practice with tutors or group sessions to apply grammar in real speech. This bridges passive recognition and active use, so your comprehension becomes production. Keep adjusting difficulty so each lesson challenges, but does not frustrate. You end a study session by taking the unit test and reviewing mistakes. Claim any streak rewards to reinforce habit. Once done, sync across devices so your progress and exported vocab lists remain available. If practice audio or mic feedback fails, first check app permissions and network. Restart the app, and if necessary, reinstall to reset settings. If problems persist, switch microphones or try the web version temporarily. This final pass secures gains and gives a quick fix when technology interrupts practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.